In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list from an existing list in Google Sheets. This can be an incredibly useful feature for organizing your data, ensuring consistency, and making your spreadsheet more user-friendly. Let's start by selecting the cell where you want your new drop-down menu to be located. Once you have your cell selected, you'll want to bring up the Data Validation menu. You can do this by right-clicking on the selected cell and choosing Data Validation from the context menu. Alternatively, you can navigate to the top menu, click on Data, and then choose Data Validation from the drop-down options there. Both methods will get you to the same place. Once you have the Data Validation window open, you'll see an option labeled Add Rule. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll notice a section where you can select criteria for your drop-down. In this case, we're going to choose drop-down from a range. This option allows you to populate your drop-down list from an existing set of data you already have in your spreadsheet. Now it's time to select the range of data you'd like to include in your drop-down. Simply click on the small grid icon next to the range field and select the cells that contain the data you wish to use. It's worth noting that Google Sheets automatically removes any duplicate entries here, so you don't have to worry about cleaning your dataset beforehand. This can be a huge time saver and helps maintain a clean and efficient list. As soon as you select your data range, you'll notice all the unique values from your selected range appearing in the Data Validation Rules panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you can also customize options like colors, if you want to assign specific colors to different drop-down options, which can enhance the visual aspect of your spreadsheet and make it easier to interpret the data at a glance. After you've double-checked your selections and any additional settings, simply click the Done button at the bottom of the Data Validation pane. And just like that, you've successfully created a drop-down list right from your existing data. This feature can significantly streamline data entry and help ensure consistency across your spreadsheet by restricting input to a preset list of options. It is especially helpful when you have datasets that require uniform entries, or when multiple users are interacting with or contributing data to the same spreadsheet. So give it a try and add some drop-down lists to your own Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Google Sheets to its full potential. Happy organizing!